In a bid to promote the value of education and uplift the country's so-called Bagong Bayani, the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, or OWA, held the recognition of its 369 scholars who graduated from different state colleges and universities all over the country. The graduates finished with Latin honors and special citations, proof that poverty is never a hindrance to quality education. Ara Perez tells us more.
More than the amount of balikbayan boxes and financial assistance, nothing can ever surpass the gift of education. This was what the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration proved during the graduation and recognition ceremony of its scholars from different parts of the country. Spearheaded by OWA Chair Carmelita Dimzon and Deputy Chair Josefino Torres, more than 300 scholars graduated from the state colleges and universities of their respective regions, including the University of the Philippines, St. Louis University, and the Lyceum of the Philippines. Dimzon said scholarship turnout this year is better than last year's, since besides Latin honors, OWA also granted special citations like the Leadership Award. Even after graduation, OWA would still support the students, especially when it comes to job hunting. The Wanchon family was all smiles as daughter Maria Joanna finished magna cum laude in UP Diliman.
Ang mahal ng tuition fee as in abot 20-30K, eh yung binibigay ng OWA tamang-tama para sa education ko nga. At tamang-tama kasi nga po, hindi lang kami sa mayaman kahit na OFW yung dad ko. Siya yung talaga yung breadwinners namin. So ayun, malaking bawas sa gastos ng pamilya po.
OWA hopes for the success of the graduates in their respective fields and assure that this is not the end of their utmost help to the youth, which they have been extending since 2005. For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.